In this video, we'll see the easiest way to implement Google Gemini-based agent for your SaaS applications using Agno or the previously called PhiData library. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several Make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. Here I am in Google AI Studio. This agent is going to be different in the sense that here in this AI Studio, we have the options of providing the Google search, which we saw in the previous video. That is grounding truth setting. On the right side, you will see URL context. So that is, this works something similar to RAG, where you can give a URL to improve the context. It may not be internally doing the chunking and similarity search, but you can provide a URL which will also be used to improve the context of your query. And after you do your selections, if you click here, you will get the code that you can use to implement your agent. Here, tools, URL context. But what if you have a PDF document? We will use a much simpler mechanism to implement this using Agno. So let's visit Agno's cookbook, models, Google Gemini knowledge. So this is the code that we will implement. We will create a RAG database using PG vector to store the embeddings, and we will pass a PDF. Okay. Within the agent, when we pass this knowledge, it will improve the context. In this case, it will do the similarity search and pick the relevant chunks when it creates the context. So that is the advantage. And this code is much more elegant. In our previous video, we covered how we can have different types of these RAG databases. So let's see it's working. So this is again our Thai recipe knowledge base. Again, this run.sh is my Python environment. Nothing special in it. And this is the same code that we saw. See, it is creating the RAG knowledge base. It is inserting the documents as chunks. And it is thinking how to make Thai curry. And it found 5 documents that are matching for the context. Okay, and it gave us the response. So this is a video on how to make a clean RAG-based agent that uses Gemini. You can use the latest Gemini 2.5 Pro as well. Remember, you need the API key, and you can get the API key by clicking here in aistudio.google.com. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code Make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.